Hi, this is Chris with buildaskibike.com. If you just ordered a Brenter C6 from me, it's going to come to you in a few parts when you order it through shipping. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you how to put it back together once you receive it. So you're going to receive 4 different parts. You're going to receive the seat over here, the seat assembly. You're going to receive the handlebars. You're going to receive the frame over here, which is this one. And then you're going to receive the front ski and assembly. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it together real fast. So what I'm going to do is first take the frame and we're going to put the front ski on it. So all we're going to do is just slide it on here. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab the handlebars. We're going to take those and we're going to get them attached here on the front frame. Make sure that they're straight, and then we're going to flip this little latch over. And you may need to tighten up the latch a little bit just to make sure they don't turn as you're going down the mountain. Last thing we're going to do is we're going to attach the seat and the seat riser. So if you ordered additional seat risers, all you would do is just take these bolts off and then attach the new seat riser. The seat risers that I send to you, the used seat risers, are going to come with the right length bolts attached to the package. So this one right here just happens to be our extra large. So if you're going to just remove those and attach a smaller one, then they'll be with the package along with the bolts. So all you need to do with this, you may need to loosen the bolts on here. They're just Allen head bolts, and slide this in here. Go back as far as you need to go. And then what we're going to do is, this is just an Allen head wrench, you see right here. And we're just going to tighten these up. Don't tighten them up too much, because you don't want to break the bolt or anything like that. But you also don't want it slipping. And then once you receive the bike, I would go through here and just tighten up all the bolts just to make sure that they're tight. Don't over tighten, but just tighten them up to make sure that they're tight so the skis don't slide out or something like that. So thank you for ordering your Brenter C6. I hope this video was helpful.